If you need to reset your Grubhub password, follow these simple steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Open the Grubhub app or website. Visit the Grubhub app on your mobile device or go to the Grubhub website on your computer. Step 2. Go to the login page. Click on the login button. You will find this option on the home page of the app or website. Step 3. Select Forgot Password. On the login page, look for the Forgot Password link and click on it. This will direct you to the password recovery process. Step 4. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your Grubhub account. Make sure it is correct, then submit the form to receive a password reset link. Step 5. Follow the instructions in your email. Check your email for the password reset link sent by Grubhub. Click the link and follow the instructions to create a new password. Once you have completed these steps, you should be able to log into your Grubhub account with your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Grubhub customer support for further assistance.